So, time check, 6:45 na. So, 8 pa naman yung ano namin. 8 pa yung, ano ba, hindi ba? Time checks, it's 6:45. Pero 8 pa kasi yung call time. Parang 8 pa mag-start. So, magbubook ako mga 7 a.m. So, here's my outfit. Sobrang na-stress ako kasi wala nang kasya sa akin scrub suit. Buti na lang ito yung scrub suit ko. Ng 4th year kasya pa siya. So this is the fit. It's color blue. Maybe magbibili ako kasi paulit-ulit ko lang itong gagamitin. Papala ba ulit. And then, tcharan! Actually, just bought some water para mamaya I wouldn't go down na pag break time. So 7-Eleven lang. So it's checks, it's actually 4:08 na, and just an hour, and just about an hour, I will mag-out na rin ako. So, hindi ako maka-video lahat kasi, you know, we want to make sure na on our first day, we did our job. I actually did my round 2 times, and then do some admin tasks, and so on and so forth. And may mga nag-vaccine, so nag-vaccine ako, ganon. And yun lang, we'll update you tomorrow because I'll be in different site tomorrow, guys. So for today's video, I'll just do voice back or voice recording because yung audio nito medyo pangit and garalgal because I've been video calling with someone while unboxing this. So by the way, this is what I bought from TikTok. It's a mini makeup bags. I actually have a big makeup bags where I put a lot of my makeups. So I thought of buying little ones where I could put all the makeups that I usually used for my day-to-day basis or if every time may lakad ako. And actually, this is a great stuff if mahilig kayong gumala. It has a mirror inside, and what a great thing about this is my compartment din siya for your lipsticks, and great space din siya for your palettes. You can put it inside. So yeah, and actually, fun fact, ganito rin yung kulay nung big makeup box ko. Check, 11:30, lunchtime ko na, so I need to go up to get a voucher because I have a voucher. Kano pa yung voucher? Pa? Yes. Okay lang po. po ako sa voucher ko. Busog na ako. So, iuwi ko na lang siya. So, ito yung binili ko sa TikTok na pinakita ko na yan yung wait lang nga, ganyan ko na lang. Ayan yun binili ko. So, nilagay ko lang dito yung mga ginagamit ko talaga usually na makeup. As in, ito lang. Yan lang. Yung iba is pang ano na yun talaga, pang raklakan. Ito yung everyday makeup. Nakiwalay naman yung mga brushes, so ito lang siya. Charan! Cutie cutie! Sobrang haba na pila dun sa coffee shop. So, nagpunta ako sa Eco Mart. Tapos, bumili akong chocolate. This is Mars. Wait lang. Time check. It's 8:52. Still early for night show. So, yun. Kakain muna tayo. Tada! Can you smell it? I'll just put it here. Like 5:55 a.m. Maaga tayo kasi may event ngayon. Friday, mag-vaccine tayo sa Antipolo. So, let's go! Ito po pala nila. Okay, relax lang tayo. Lagyan ko lang po.
Ano si Maribig? Uy, labi. Ana. Bakit na labi? Paano na lang po nila? Ate Pe. Paano ka na po nandito sa ilalim na yung ano? Wala po yan. Ano lang yan? Marilimpiang.
After duty, we decided na mag-coffee here in Antipolo. This is a very liblib na lugar. Like, hindi siya. It's like a secret place. Kasi hindi mo talaga siya makikita. Sobrang loob na loob siya. And napapalibutan siya ng mga trees. It's like a forest. So, ayan yung view. It's a good view, guys. So, pahit nga na outfit ko so I couldn't actually take a picture kasi naka-nurse outfit ako. Pero look ko, para siyang yung lugar niya, it's like an old house na may kasamang modern feature. So by the way, the name of the cafe is, or the coffee shop, it's a Casa Nelle Fair. I don't know if I said it correctly. And then tingnan niya, ito yung parang entrance niya. So I think magwawak tayo nito. Push the door. Diba? Tcharam! And we'll close it. Okay, so ganito siya. This is how the place look and the view. This is how the view looks like. Actually, parang they said there's like a batis there. And I think this is false because the water is flowing continuously. False siya, I think. Oh my god. I'm scared to walk. Pero I think it's safe naman. This is how it looks like. So talagang napapalibot na kayo ng forest. It feels like I'm in a province. It's done. Actually got home 2:47. Grabe, sunog ako. Sunog ako sa biyahe. Pagod sa kapag ng ulo ko. So, huwi na ako. Ayoko na. Charis. So, huwi na tayo. Let's look. Excuse me po. Pwede duma. Parang mo ako padaanin kasi.
Pasok guys. Pasok.
Bakit ako siya ba? Today is my last day as a reliever nurse in this company. And last day ko na rin sa BGC site. Yun yung last day ko sa site. Ayun yung last site ko for this day. BGC. So, bumili na ako ng inumin ko ulit kasi tatamad na naman ng baba mamaya. This is the view. Actually, pupunta kami sa Pande, Manila. Bibili ako ng palaman. And yan. So, bye-bye guys!